right, so now that we are on the dashboards section, we can see here that we have different tabs where we collect different kind of data. In this first tab, we have the performance overview, and the idea is that here you can have a quick overview of what is happening with the performance of your campaigns. Here we have the CPA cohorted by the different media sources you could be running, and this is contrasted through with the spend you have every day. Also, you can see this by week if you want. But the idea here is that you can have a quick overview of this performance through the different media sources. And you can adjust your budgets pretty easily if you know that one of your media sources is out of your target. Here we are using an event to calculate the CPA. In this case, it's the add to cart. And the cohort we have selected in this case is the 14 days cohorts. And well, we are seeing data for all countries, all media sources, and all campaigns, but that is something we can filter from here if we want. Then we have this other tab that shows us the performance detail. So going deep down to the other performance metric you can monitor for your user acquisition campaigns, we have here some other graph also related to the evolution of the CPI. You can have here the check for how much you're spending. You can open this and see what is happening on the different countries you're running with. We have a widget to monitor the evolution of installs and the CPI closed by all the media sources all together. Here is a table where you can also have different dimensions. Here you can find if you want to open by day, then by country, then by media source. I'm going to do here a change so you can see the possibilities you have. You can open first by country, then by media source, and finally by day or week. And you're going to open up here. So you have first the country, then the different media sources you are running, and finally you will have the different dates. Or we can change, and instead of day, we can have weeks. Here you can see all the information I was showing you, and you can have this downloaded to your computer if you want, and you can download it as a table, as an Excel file. So the idea here is that if you need something to report, something different than you have here, you can use this. And also you have this as a graph. So you can compare two different metrics on our pivot graph, and you can monitor how installs evolve regarding, let's say, the total, events, or it could be total spend too. So how events evolve related to installs. So you can see that they have the same peaks here and the same downs here, and also installs could be contrasted to any of these metric. You can choose total spend, and you can see how the spend and installs relate. Okay, so the idea is that with all these you have a quick overview of the performance of your campaigns.